What's good? What's poppin'? What it is? Oh, what's up? It's your girl Ayana, aka Big Yawn, and y'all can already see by today's title. Y'all know what this is. Like, y'all is gonna see this whole process of me getting slaves of the gods, and it's also a giveaway. Like, I won a giveaway. That is like, oh wow, like I finally won something in life. It's like, no, but keep on watching. Okay, so I'm about to go do my makeup off camera, and then I'm gonna come back all glammed and dolled up for y'all, with the exception of this head, child. Okay, y'all, so I'm glammed up and I'm about to head to my appointment. I just have on a Skims outfit, you know, by the fabulous Kim K. Y'all, first freaking install ever. I will see y'all when I am there. Bye. Finally made it to my appointment. Guys, I'm so nervous, but I'm excited. This will be my first ever install, as y'all can see in the title. Like, I'm letting somebody touch this head. Her work is so good. I'm gonna link all her information in the description, and I will put her Instagram somewhere over here. Yeah, y'all see that. So I'm gonna let y'all see this whole process she's letting me record. Let's get it. I know my vibe was off, and when I don't like something,
you just don't like it. What's your sign?
Sag.
Okay, yeah. This making sense. It's making sense.
When I don't like something, you gonna know that I don't like it.
Okay, so if you don't like his hair, I'm gonna know.
You gonna know, but I trust you.
But you're gonna love it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's the inhale. Talking like that one video, that one TikTok that you just love so much. scalp. I've been growing this since a baby.
Girl, bye.
Pictures. This is the end of the video, y'all. Y'all see me. Y'all see me. But yeah, the curls is giving, baby. The layers, y'all see me. Yeah. I'm mixed with a little Indian, y'all. Baby, this is really my hair. This is a prank. Like, this is my hair. But anyway, I will see y'all in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what y'all want to see next. I will link all of her information in the description. Y'all follow her. She is amazing. She will slay you to the gods, baby. Melt it.
Bye, y'all.